Hi guys, hope you are doing well, and today's video is about the VMware EXSI because in this video I will show you that whenever you will if you are facing the error of licensing, that you have no more limit to create a VM over the VMware EXSI, then this video is for you. So I have created one virtual machine, and in that virtual machine I have selected 8 core 12 core processor and 8 GB 12 GB of RAM and 100 GB of drive. This is my virtual machine. That is uh, I have created new this virtual machine, and we need to check it that first of all I have already selected the Windows 10 ISO. Then now I'm going to check it in front of you. I'm going to power on it. Once I power on it, I'm getting a issue of you can see that there are insufficient licenses to complete this operation. So we can easily fix it, because if you go into the manage and click onto the licenses, you can see that you are limited to the 8-way virtual SMP. Means your cores are limited to 8 cores. You cannot give 12 cores, 16 cores or 32 cores to your virtual machine, and you are limited to 8 cores. Means you cannot exceed your limit, otherwise you have to purchase the license. So I'm going to fix it in front of you. Now I have to click onto the virtual machine, and I will click onto the newly created virtual machine, and then I have to click onto the action. This is a very quick fix that through that way forward you can fix your error immediately. And you have to click onto the edit settings. Then once you click onto the edit setting, then wait for loading. It's loading, so you have to wait for that. Wait for a second. Here you are. So I had selected 8 cores, and now we have to convert onto the 8 cores. Earlier it was 12 cores. Now I have selected 8 cores. Then I have to save it, and now I have to play it. So you can see that error has been fixed, and my and accidentally we have discussed about the Windows installation over the VMware EXSI. So if you face any problem, you can just select the BIOS option and Windows installation will be started. And the actual motive of video is to give you information about the VMware EXSI license. So free license is limited to 8 SMP, means 8 cores. So if you are stuck here, you can if you are using the free license of VMware, you can only go for 8 cores. If you increase your cores, you have to purchase a new license, and you have to visit VMware website and you have to purchase a license. So this was the quick fix regarding the error. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you get a lot of knowledge through this video. Like, subscribe, forward to your family and friends. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you in the next video.